Okay, step one, you're gonna get your pencil, write your name really big on the back of your paper. Go ahead and put your pencil away, you're not gonna need it for a while. And flip your paper over. Make sure your paper is in the center of your mat because we're gonna be going off the edge while we're painting. You don't wanna get your paper too wet, but your paper is gonna be pretty wet today because we're covering the whole paper. You're making a beautiful sky. You are the artist. You can use any of these colors to make your sky. The sky is usually not too green though. It's usually warm, or when it's sunsetty, there's a little bit of purple sometimes, and obviously blue for the sky. But the green doesn't show up that much, but you are the artist. If you want to put some green in there, you go right ahead. I'm gonna start with some really pretty sunshine. Some really pretty sunshine for my paper. And I'm gonna go top to bottom, so I know I'm covering the whole paper, top to bottom. And I'm gonna make a lot of sunshine. I need a little more water. Top to bottom, I'm filling my whole paper with some sunshiny yellow, and I'm going all the way to the very edge of my paper. And now my paper is starting to curl up a little bit. I haven't used too much water, it's okay, but you don't want to use so much water that the table is soaked. I'm just dabbing to get my sunshiny. Now I want to use a little bit of orange. I think that would be pretty. And it's going to blend with my yellow. So pretty. And it's okay if I bump the yellow. And now I'm getting a really pretty value. I'm going from light, yellow's lighter, and orange is a little bit darker. So pretty. And you can look at your palette and see, your palette is where the paint is. This is your paint palette. And you can see what color would be darker. Here's my sunshine, and it's getting darker going this way. How can I put a darker value here? This is when, if you'd like, you could add some purple or some blue or some red would be darker. Let's try red and see what a little bit of red, that comes out nice and pink, because when you add water to the red when you're watercoloring, it stays nice and pink. But my paper is going from light yellow to medium orange to dark red, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of purple because I love purple in the sky. But I waited till the very end of my painting to add some purple. And when I'm done painting, I'm gonna take my painting over to the drying rack. I'm gonna walk my painting over to the drying rack. I'm gonna put my paintbrush in my water. If anything's on your mat, go ahead and move it off. And I'm gonna take both my hands and grab either side of my mat, just like this. And I'm gonna carefully walk my painting, which hopefully is in the middle of your paper, and I'm gonna walk it over to the mat, to the drying rack. I'm gonna walk my painting with both hands over to the drying rack.